disenchanted lullaby.
There is no truth until you decide what truth is, and each person should find that truth out for his or herself.
Greetings everyone. Many of you already know that we sell many raw herbs and combinations of herbs for women and men which may help with different challenges. Well, today we're going to discuss the challenge of sexual desire, and a quick and simple recipe which may help many of you. Libido or sexual desire is a psychological state that manifests itself as the urge to engage in sexual behavior. Many experience a lack of interest if the physical or psychological aspect is not attended to. This does not include the lack of libido or sexual desire due to trauma, disease, circulation issues, or a physical impairment. Some of the benefits of clove ginger tea. For men: prevents early ejaculation, boosts motility and sperm count, amplifies sex drive, improves testosterone, and may help prevent diabetes. For women: improves desire, offers better stimulation, increases overall clitoris sensitivity, promotes weight loss, may increase odds of conceiving, eases menstruation symptoms. Other benefits may include: protect liver health, protects the stomach lining, decrease inflammation, may help with minor circulation issues, antimicrobial, may help prevent cancer, and may help with weight loss. So now let's get to the recipe. The ingredients needed are 1½ cups water, ginger 1 to 2 inch piece, cloves 1 teaspoon, cinnamon optional ½ teaspoon, lemon slice optional, honey optional. How to prepare: put water into pot and turn heat on to begin the boiling process. Grate about 1 inch piece of ginger into the water. Put 1 teaspoon of cloves into the water. Optional, add ½ teaspoon of cinnamon into the water. Bring to boil and let boil for 5 minutes. Once done, let sit to cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain your tea water into a cup. Optional, add lemon slice. Optional, add a dash of honey. Tony recommends drinking this tea 1 to 2 times daily. Enjoy.